There are 5 people in my family: my grandpa, my father, my mother, my older sister, and me. My father is a teacher. My mother works in a store. My sister is in university. I am in high school. My father has a brother. He is my uncle. My uncle has 2 children, Tom and Lisa. They are my cousins. Tom is 6 years old. He is in primary school. Lisa is 4 years old. She is in kindergarten. My sister lives in a big city. She goes to university there. She comes home to visit us on long weekends. My grandpa does not work anymore. He often travels to other countries. He often visits Europe. His parents came from Europe. He still has cousins there. Sometimes they visit us. When I finish high school, I will go to Europe with my grandpa. My mother's parents came from China. Now, they live in Canada. We often visit them. I love my grandparents. They tell me many interesting stories about Europe and China. They also teach me many things.